I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce by Bristi Kitchen, updated. Start with ripe tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and salt, then chop and sauté garlic briefly. Add crushed tomatoes and simmer slowly, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Season with salt and a pinch of sugar if tomatoes taste sharp. Finish with fresh basil and a drizzle of olive oil for brightness, and serve hot over pasta or store cooled in jars. In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce by Bristi Kitchen, updated. Begin by washing and coring the tomatoes, then score the skins and blanch briefly to peel easily. Save the juices and use them to thin the sauce as needed while cooking. Sauté minced garlic in olive oil until fragrant but not brown, then add tomatoes and simmer gently so flavors meld together into a rich, balanced sauce. In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce by Bristi Kitchen, updated. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for hands-free timers, recipe prompts, and setting a pleasant cooking playlist while you simmer. I find it makes multitasking easier and more fun, especially when my hands are messy with tomato sauce. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if this helps, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce by Bristi Kitchen, updated. Keep the sauce at a gentle simmer uncovered so water evaporates and flavors concentrate without becoming bitter. Stir occasionally and scrape the bottom to prevent any burnt spots that ruin the batch. Taste as it cooks and add salt, pepper, or a tiny pinch of sugar incrementally until the sauce feels balanced and fresh, then finish with basil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.